we're gonna make a delicious Instant Pot tortellini. This is so fast, it's amazing, and you're gonna see how this comes together in just minutes. This is a half a cup of red wine. You do not need to use this if you don't have it in your house. This is a Cabernet. You could just substitute a half a cup of water. So that's 1/2 cup of red wine and then a half a cup of water. So you would just put, instead of the red wine, put 1 cup of water if you don't want to use that. I just think because we're only using a few ingredients, I like to add more flavor when we can, okay? So there's 1 cup of liquid in there. This is 1 28-ounce can of the fire roasted tomatoes. These are great, packed with flavor, and they're roasted, so it gives you, again, a little bit more bang for your buck, right? This is my own spice blend, but I have 1½ teaspoons of Italian spice blend. I have 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I have 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Okay, all going in with 2 bay leaves. I'm just gonna give this a little stir. So you can see how, I know sometimes we work hard, we work long hours, and it's so easy to stop through that drive-through. Believe me, there's so many times that I'm tempted to do that. But you saw how quickly that went into the pot. I've got 12 ounces of tortellini dried, and this is just cheese. So this is also a vegetarian meal. I'm throwing that in. We're giving everything a quick stir, just to make sure like the noodles are kind of a little bit wet. That's all I'm doing. That's it. So we're gonna put the cover on, and we're gonna put this on high pressure, and it's gonna go for 10 minutes. It's that easy. So total it takes like about 10 minutes to come up to pressure, 10 minutes to cook. We'll quick release it, and we're gonna have dinner on the table. Amazing, right? Forget the drive-through. Okay, 10 minutes is up. Just gonna click this off, and I'm just gonna hit this pressure release. Just let it quick release. There's no need to, always scares our cats. Sorry, babies. Anyways, you see how simple this is? Within half hour, you really can have dinner on the table. Okay, so time for the unveil. I'm just gonna give, it smells so good. Right? Fast food? Not in this house. All right, so just give this a little stir. It made its own sauce. It smells so good. All right, this is ready to plate. So just gonna plate a nice portion here. Looking good. I'd love to invite you over. Okay, I'm just gonna chop up a little bit of basil. Dinner's ready. Okay, so I just like a little bit of basil on mine, fresh basil. Again, it's all like the quality of the ingredients that you use, right? I got 2 basil leaves just rolled up like a little cigar. It's a fancy term called chiffonade. And I'm just gonna, nice and thin, just kind of go through it like that. And what it's gonna do is make these like little ribbons, right? Right over the top. Looks pretty, right? Little basil confetti. Delicious. All right. Who wouldn't want to eat that? So if you find these recipes good and you like the channel, please subscribe, share with your friends, and enjoy.